Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies recipe easy, full guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy, then beat in eggs and vanilla. Stir dry ingredients gently to avoid overworking the dough. Fold in chocolate chips or nuts, chill briefly if needed, and scoop dough evenly for uniform baking and perfect edges. Check oven temperature with an inexpensive oven thermometer for accuracy before baking. Bake on the middle rack for balanced heat distribution and better rise. Watch cookies in the final 2 minutes to prevent overbrowning, since ovens differ. Cool cookies on a rack to retain crisp edges and chewy centers. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container with a slice of bread to maintain softness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes effortless with adjustable light and long battery life, so you never smudge a page while baking. It's great for storing cookbooks and guides in one slim device. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Swap mix-ins easily to create new flavors like oats and dried fruit, or white chocolate and macadamia nuts. Adjust sugar ratios to make cookies sweeter or more balanced depending on taste. If batter seems dry, add a teaspoon of milk at a time until the right consistency is reached. Use room temperature ingredients for even mixing and predictable texture in every batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.